We HP's group focus on cutting and sewing solutions. We can supply the solutions from software, computer control system to the machinery.
Yes, we are majoring producing machines for garment, home textile, furniture, medical, and automotive industries. Speaking of the automotive industry, I know that Robin, you just came back from Shanghai International Automotive Exhibition. Did you find something new there?
Yeah, compared with the 2 years exhibition, this time we find many new trends on the automotive interiors, especially for the car seat. We find many perforation and sewing solutions on the car seat, especially for the big brands just like BMW, Benz, and some other brands. So we will show some photos we took in the exhibition.
Very attractive.
Yeah, this is from BMW. Perforation and sewing together.
Very attractive. So did you want to know how to produce this kind of design? Let's go ahead with Robin and Helen.
Yeah.
We will introduce you the machine and the method.
Yeah, firstly, we will show you some samples. Just now, you have seen some photos we took in the exhibition, and we can have a comparison whether our machinery can do a better performance on the car seat. Let's see the real samples. Okay, we collected some samples here. Firstly, like this one. This one, the 3D effect is very good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and as for this one, firstly, we do the perforation and embroidery
first.
on the first layer. This is artificial leather or the real leather. And then we do the sewing with these two layers together with the sponge together. So we can get this one. And for this pattern, you can do different kinds of patterns in HP's software.
Yeah, this pattern looks very elegant, and we can see that it's like 3D effect.
Yeah.
And you can see the point. There are 6 lines, and they crossed in one point. It's very high precision.
Yeah, and as for this one, it is also 3 times stitching. Yeah, and next one, a little similar like the first one, right?
Yeah.
But as for this one, the process is a little different. As for this one, first we do the perforation.
First.
Yes, and this is the auto sewing line. And after that, we can do the embroidery. So this one, embroidery is the last step. And you can see the back. Yeah, this is the back side of embroidery. So for the process, you can choose according to your demands.
So we can collect embroidery, sewing, and perforation together.
Yeah.
Okay, this sample.
Okay, and this is perforation and auto sewing. As for the auto sewing, we can use the different number of the thread from 40, 30, 20 to 15, the thread number.
That means we can use many sizes of the thread.
Yeah,
to make
the different thickness.
Yeah.
Okay, and as for this one is also, we want to show the 3D effect. You can see this one also contains 3 functions by one machine. This one is embroidery,
Yeah.
and also 3 times stitching.
3 times.
Yeah, and this one you see here is perforation, and this is the auto sewing. And you can see the cross point.
And this one is also look very high grade. It
Yeah.
looks like a football.
We don't know. Okay, and the next one, this one is only stitching by the CNC sewing machine, but it's double lines.
Yeah, we can see here is double line.
Yeah, double lines.
And we also have machines that can adjust the distance between
Yeah,
these two lines.
yeah, can be adjustable for the distance. And this one is two color auto sewing.
Yeah, this sewing the leather and foam together.
Yeah.
And the sewing head is also lifting head.
And the speed can reach to about 2000 RPM. But for the perforation, the speed is about 1500.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is also a design. We want to show you. You can do any design. This is a deer.
Oh, it's very vividly.
Yeah, but only sewing. Maybe you can just try to add some perforation on this pattern. And this one, you see, this is three functions together, and as for the perforation, you can see the holes different sizes. And later we can just see on the machine that there are 6 sizes for the holes, or for the other like square, like a triangle, different shapes. And
different shape and
yeah.
different size.
Yeah, different size, yes. And this is the auto sewing. Yeah, for the circle. And here is the embroidery. You can do the different design pattern and also some logos which you like, and with the embroidery. So this is the 3 functions together. At present, maybe you can only find these 3 functions on one machine, just in rich piece group. Okay, so after some samples, we can see the real machines working. And we will show you this embroidery, perforation, and the sewing machines here. This is 3 functions together. As for the embroidery, you can choose different colors. This is 9 colors. You can choose 6 colors, 9 colors, 12 colors, 15 colors, or different colors. And as for this perforation, here you can see there are 6 punching heads, and the different sizes from 0.8 to 2.5 millimeters. And as for this one, this is the auto sewing head. We also have the other choice for the rotating head. And as for the pattern, you can do the pattern on computer through our software, Rich Piece Pattern software, and then use USB to copy it and connect with this computer, transfer to it, and then the computer matched with our machine. The machine will get the ideas what it should do. Okay, next let's see how the machine is working.
You can see that this machine is making the second circle. The diameter of the holes is different from the first circle and the second circle. The third circle is also different size. There are 6 punching heads on these machines. It means that we can do 6 different size of the holes.
Yeah, this is the first step for perforation, and From the pattern, we can go to the next step. And this is to do the perforation on the artificial leather or the real leather. Yeah, we put some foam or sponge under it.
The second step,
Yeah.
sewing lines. The machine now is sewing the leather and the foam and non-woven fabric together.
Look at the third step.
So all in all, there are 3 main steps to make the perforation and sewing designs. First, you have to use HP CAD software to make the designs. Second, transfer the design to the computer of the machine. And third, the machine will make the design according to your document.
Okay, I think later the machine can work by itself, and we hope that today's share will just let you know more about how to do the perforation, sewing, and embroidery together on the car seat. We hope that it will be helpful for you.
Yes, please look our channel and more videos will come in soon.
Yeah. So see you next time. Maybe more informations you need.
See you.